Hello friends, this is live from Nani Baba's kitchen. Today we are going to make Moong dal dosa. For this recipe you need one chili, some cumin seeds, ginger, two cloves of garlic, half onion, and you have to soak the moong all night, and after doing that you can grind it in the mixer all together. I have already grind the mixture and the mixture looks like this. The mixture contains two cloves of garlic, two chilies, a half quarter of ginger and half onion. Now let's see how to make the dosa. So Nani has not put an onion inside the batter. So now she's going to put a half onion in the batter. We have taken a white onion. This is a very good for taste, and it's very local here in Canada. Very delicious. We use in all Indian recipes, and it goes very well with dosa batter. I'm using a small pigeon chopper. This is a hand pigeon chopper which is very instant. You don't have to use a big mixer for that. Just cut it in big pieces, put it in the chopper, and then just use the hand grinder like this, and then you have to just quickly pull it. And it's all done. Once the onion is finely chopped, you have to put it in the moong dal dosa batter. And now you just have to turn it with the help of spoon. Now Nani is going to put some salt for taste, approximately 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and you just have to mix it well. This is a very good instant recipe and very healthy recipe, as everyone knows that moong dal has protein, and Nani is making this for breakfast in the morning. Now Nani is taking a non-stick pan. She has put it on medium to, it's between medium and high, not too very high. I have taken a Tefal non-stick pan. It's very reasonable and very good to use. The reason a non-stick pan, because it's a moong dosa, it's little sticky. So in order to prevent any, it gets stuck on the surface, I'm using a non-stick pan. Now the pan is getting heated. Nani is saying that the pan needs to be heated well before you put a dosa batter. Now you have to put little oil. waiting. So now we are ready, friends. The pan is well heated and the batter a little bit is going on the pan. Nani has taken a small regular spoon. She has put 3 dollops of batter and slowly she is trying to make it like a pancake. And you have to close it. She has changed the heat to medium now once the pan was heated. So Nani, how long do you think we have to keep it on this side?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So Nani is saying that it can be you have to keep on one side for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then with 5 minutes, what happens is it's a raw moong, so it will be cooked nicely. So approximately 3 minutes are done and Nani checked and the heat was quite well, so we have changed it on the other side. We have to keep on this side for 2 to 3 minutes and dosa is done. So hey guys, please check for future videos. This is our first video of Moong Dal Dosa. This is Nani Baba's kitchen and you're going to watch all instant recipes on this video. So please go ahead and watch it. Thank you. Hello friends, the final dosa looks like this. They are nice, well cooked. As you can see the color, it's little bit brown. That gives an indication that the dosa is well cooked. And enjoy this morning. Thank you and please watch my other future videos of Nani Baba's kitchen.